Hey everyone, we're excited to announce that we have a new neuropathy program as part of our office. We have seen hundreds and hundreds of patients over the years that have neuropathy, and if you know anybody that has it, it's a pretty devastating condition. Numbness and tingling, pins and needles, pain, sometimes even just overall loss of sensation in either hands or feet. And there's over 130 different causes of neuropathy. Diabetes, chemo, post-surgery, old injuries, just a ton of different causes. But it's a degenerative condition, so it gets worse over time, and oftentimes will end up with amputation at some point in the person's life. So we've had these patients over the years, some of our favorite patients, and we don't see some of them as much because of it. So it's heartbreaking to see, and chiropractic helps a little bit. The other treatments are medication, and it kind of just covers it up, the pain a little bit, but there really isn't any other good treatment for it. So once we learned about this program, it was something that kind of hit home, and we wanted to really add in. So there's no drugs or surgery. It's all natural. It has some light therapy, some different types of stimulation therapy that the cancer centers of America also use. And the program itself has a 97% success rate for people that qualify. Not everybody does qualify, but if you do, it's amazingly successful. So we have a free thermography scan, and all it does is look at the blood flow in our hands and feet. So that's a starting point for anybody that wants to check it out. We also have a way more thorough 16-point exam. It's a few $100 value, but we're just charging $49 for anybody that wants to do that, and it's a good starting point to see where you're at and see how we can help.